and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my yarn room. And as my sign says, it's cool to be kind. The shirt that I am wearing is the Peace, Love, and Crochet. This is a shirt that actually I believe there were like 3 folks, maybe even my daughter, I'm not sure, had a hand in getting this shirt for me. Maddie, Amy, Carrie, and Jennifer Kofer. All, I believe, had a hand in getting this t-shirt for me, and I just love it. And I just want to say thank you, ladies, for this shirt. I am still enjoying this. The cup that I'm drinking out of is my San Juan Puerto Rico cup. I love this cup with all these different doors. Isn't that just so cool? I just love this. For some reason the doors fascinate me. I am drinking just plain old black coffee. But look on the inside. Can you see that? Isn't that cool? That is, let's see. Okay, so it's only on one side, but look at it again. That's neat. I like it. It's hot. Now there's a hole right here because it comes with a spoon, as you saw in the intro video. It has a little spoon with it. So one of the things I want to show you guys is to remind you that Father's Day is coming up. Be sure and go to my tutorial so that you can make some Father's Day washcloths. This has been washed, and so it is, I took it out of the dryer before it was completed, so it's a little on the damp side. But I have a tutorial on this. I'll leave the link below, and you may want to make your dad one of these, or anybody that's a father, and get them this cute washcloth made. All right, so what I actually have a few things I want to show you guys. One of the things is, I'm not sure where I got this book. It could be one of you viewers. It could have been one of the ladies from my church. She just recently gave me, her name is Wanda, recently gave me a bunch of crochet books that was her mother's. And so anyway, I was moving something today and I saw this little stack of books, and this was sitting on the top of it. It's the Red Heart Pillow Pet. And some reason it just struck me that, hey, I want to make that. I just grabbed it right off the top and went with it. Let me see if I can see what year. Let's see. Here's this. Here's this. There's the back side. And I believe there's maybe one more set of pictures, I think. Yeah. This one right here. I was going to see what year is this. 1999. Well, I'm not sure. That's when Coates and Clark, 1999. I don't know if that would be considered the year or not. So, yeah, it's the only date I can see on here. It's right there. Let's see. I can't read this upside down. Where did I see the 1999? Yeah, right there. It's the only date I see in this book. So, that could be the year. I don't see any other thing. Okay, then the nails. This is my gel polish that I just recently put on. I did a video on that. Nail Reserve. That was so cool. I just love it. So when I saw the book, the reason I was so excited is because I thought of my grandbaby, Charlie Mae. I thought, I'm going to make her that cat pillow. She's only 5 months old. Like, she really needs this cat pillow, right? Yes, she really needs this cat pillow. She needs her Gigi to make her a cat pillow. And guess what, guys? Her Gigi is going to make her a cat pillow. But that's not all, guys. I'm not leaving Knox out. Knox has to have a dinosaur pillow. His Gigi just has to make him a dinosaur pillow. He cannot live without a dinosaur pillow. So let me show you the colors that I picked. I'm going to start with Knox first because I don't have to change colors. So, but these will be Christmas gifts. Maybe. May end up giving them sooner. You never know. But Knox, his base color is going to be the lime green. So where you see this purple, it's going to be lime green. Where you see the blue turquoise, it's going to be the teal. And where you see the lime green pads for the feet, it's going to be the yellow. So that's going to be Knox's pillow. Now Charlie Mae's is going to be a mauve color and a light, very light gray, because that's the colors of her room, except she also has sage green in her room. So I may add some sage green in there somewhere. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look that one over, but first I've got to make this one. Now Knox is 2 years and maybe 3 months, and Charlie May right now is 5 months, 6 months now, I think. she was born January the 6th, and Knox was born March the 6th, 2 years before her. So anyway, I'm excited about that, as you can tell. Super excited. I came across that book. So whoever sent me that book, I just want to say thank you. I just hope that, since it's so old, hope the instructions aren't bad. But it does look like maybe single crochet or half double crochet all the way through. So it should be pretty easy for me to handle. The other thing is, just on a little side note, I was at Mardell's and came across this book right here. The principles from, let's see, life principles from the women of the Bible. And it says, speaking boldly to the women of today. And they actually have 2 books in this. This is book 1. And this has Eve, Sarah, Miriam, Rahab, Rahab, Ruth, Hannah, Esther, the virtuous woman, Mary and Martha, Mary, mother of Jesus, and the bride of Christ. And so I am enjoying this. It was at Mardell's for $16.99. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh yeah, tomorrow I will be putting out 2 stitches of the week, because I'm just so excited about the stitch of the week. I could not take it. I just had to do it. So let me show you that first one. Do you remember last week when I put out the staggered half double pair? Well, this one is the staggered double crochet pair. And oh my gosh, I love this stitch so much, I can't even stand it. I love it so much. Okay, here it is. I don't even know which is front and back. Look at that. Get that up close. That is the staggered double crochet pair. And there it is again. This is the other side. The other side, see, has a little bit of a bump to it, and then it's smooth and a little bit of a bump to it. And then this, so I'm assuming that the flat, this one has the same thing, I guess. I really don't know which is front or back. I don't even know if it matters. So, but it's beautiful. So this stitch will be tomorrow, guys. You're going to have a tutorial on it called the staggered double crochet pair. So be ready. So the other one that I have going on, doing tomorrow, this one is actually going to be part of the mystery crochet squares that I have going on. I hope you guys are enjoying that. Now, this video will actually be Thursday of telling you exactly how I go about getting the square made. But the tutorial will be out tomorrow as well. 2 tutorials tomorrow, guys. This tutorial will be Thursday, but the tutorial of how to crochet this stitch will be tomorrow. And the Marguerite, how do you pronounce that? Marguerite, the Marguerite stitch, also known as the star stitch. I'm going to go with Marguerite. But there you are. This is the stitch that is going out tomorrow. 2 stitches, guys. 2 stitches. So I hope you guys are excited and looking forward to that, because I am having a lot of fun with it. And I'm going to get up in the morning. I'm going to get my coffee. I'm going to get probably my Robert Irvin's Fit Crunch. I'm going to eat one of those bars with some coffee. And when I get done, I'm going to come and sit underneath the camera with my new gel polish that I got from Nail Reserve. And I'm going to make 2 tutorials for you guys and get those published tomorrow. Well, guys, let's go ahead and do our, well, wait a minute. I'm not done yet. I was going to say our Be Still and Know devotion, but I'm not done yet. Let's see, I have that, and the washcloth. Yeah, I think that's all. Let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotion. Comfortable. Blessed be the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, the Father of mercies and God of all comfort, who comforts us in all of our tribulation. That's 2 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 3. We have all experienced loss in our lives, some to a greater degree than others. In these times when we are grieving the loss of a loved one, a job, or even experiencing the loss of a relationship breakdown, it is good to acknowledge that pain is uncomfortable. We cannot hide from feeling angry, disappointed, extremely sad, or lonely. However, we can bring these emotions to our Heavenly Father and ask Him to ease the pain. The scriptures say that Jesus is the Father of mercies and is able to comfort us in all of our troubles. He can bring peace, joy, and the comfort of knowing His presence each and every day. He can bring help from others. His word can bring life to our hearts. There are many ways that God comforts us. We then can one day share this comfort with others who need to experience God's presence during hard times. Lord, I bring all of my emotions before you and ask you, meet me in my feeling of loss. Allow me to feel your presence so that I know I am not alone. Help me to comfort those around me who need it in the same way you have shown me comfort. Okay, guys, that was it. I just loved putting that on for you guys, reading that for you guys, and hoping that that inspires you and that makes you feel good about yourself, you know, and help you in your walk with Jesus. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.